We saw the state I was there before I knew it. We were walking back up the walk. Big red
now
got busted in the door.
we looking at
Bottom on the
Hurricane Florence.
For me.
Right. Listed up here as a tropical storm. But that's on its way. So we started looking at this. Right there with this mark is. Let's zoom in real quick. Over here on North Mallory Street.
Thank you for coming.
As we descend down through the clouds. Come down. Alright, so yeah, right here on North Mallory Street, they found some remains at a construction site dating 1,500 years ago. You know what I mean? We're not even gonna get into, you know what I mean, how you date that stuff, all that. Let's just say the Nansemond Native Americans, you know what I mean, say that that's where the tribe was settled. So, you know, we zoomed out to take a look at, you know what I mean, what tribe life was probably like, you know what I mean, on the shores, right there on the water source, get your fishing and things on, you know what I mean. And then we started talking about Hurricane Florence, or what will be a Hurricane Florence when it gets here. So, looking at the layout of Virginia, and like you gotta look at this in terms of like the geography of it. You know what I mean? Like, where are we in terms of sea level? See, that should say 10. Hold on, let's go over here. This is 5 feet. This is 0. Over here is 4 feet below. You know what I mean? Sea level, according to the Google Maps. So this place is situated 10 feet below sea level. They're talking about 40-foot swells. 40 feet is basically 4 stories. So 4 stories of water coming in to the shore that's 10 feet below sea level. So that's still the, you know what I mean, what, 30 feet. 30 feet of water, which we are surrounded by in this location. I don't even want to be a damn alarmist. That's just some really, it's just a really funny situation. Let me remove the clouds real quick.
Come on, guys.
So look, let's take a look. Here's Virginia Beach. They even inland. We sitting over here. That's 1 foot below sea level. Virginia Beach is 1 foot at the shore. Is 1 foot below sea level. Let's just for shits and giggles take a look at some places. All right, here's the airport. Is that the airport? No, that's Oceana. Oceana, the air base, is 25 feet below sea level, according to Google Maps. That's what the elevation says. Negative 25 feet. And that's at 36 degrees, 49 north, 76, 142 degrees west. Right? Let's move over to check out some of my favorite hoods.
Hey, Dad. I hope everything's okay.
This is Oceana. That's Pick and Pull.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That means Atlantis is over here.
You know, you're still mad. Still wondering those phone calls I want.
Alright. Let's just say Colonial Village. Colonial Village is 8 feet above sea level. 40-foot swells, if wind sustained them, push that 30-foot wall of water and knock another 8 off when they get to there. They're still dealing with, what? I don't know, 14 feet of water, I don't know. Now, coming in. Keep in mind that at the same time that this is going on, you're also being inundated by the water. You know what I mean? Within the clouds themselves, or whatever the fuck you want to call them. We'll say clouds. Watch. Voila. Clouds reappear.
You know, like, I don't know how.
Yeah. All right, lock the wheel to the left.
Like this, you serious?
Yeah. 4 guys. Yep, hold
So
it.
now we got an idea
Yeah?
of what we're doing in terms of elevation. Let's take a trip. Let's go down the coast. Setting up locations. Locations is being set up. 325 feet above sea level. Alright? That's Millersville. So,
You want to call it the Rocky tonight?
Yeah.
Hey, are you in a performance art? Is that your kind of thing?
let's move a little bit over to the
Are you sure this is okay?
Definitely. 1,000%.
What's up?
That's for the girls you like.
You guys been taken care of?
Well, I'm going to have a shot of beer, and my older brother here is going to have a pot. What's your name?
Venus.
I'm Chip. Pleasure.
Have you talked to Dad?
Yeah. We were texting. I told him we were behaving ourselves. Thank you, Venus. Cheers.
is 500. Rock Eagle is 581 feet above sea level. Let's take a flight to the west.
I like her. She's nice.
Hang on, listen.
Take a beer.
So this is your friend.
Oh, he's my brother. And obviously.
And you think it's a good idea that he's here?
I'll fly you in
Well, he's 14. He's
to
surrounded
Sentinel
by
Peak.
beautiful half-naked women, and I'm giving you as much pop as he wants. So. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Also called
Um,
a mountain.
I have a lot of money on me. I'm looking to get pretty drunk. He's looking to get pretty caffeinated. And it would be great if you join us. Hey, the kids asked us.
As you can see, that's a crater right there, showing that is a volcano. Just right here.
Where you at? A cottage, just house. It was my mom's favorite place to go to.
A mountain.
So we're going there. And your dad let you get in the car?
At
with
the
this
top of
crazy
a
guy,
mountain.
Maniac, I guess.
We're here to do life left. He's here to become a man.
It's 2,896 feet above sea
Is it
level.
working? Do you feel manly yet?
This is what I was saying to my son.
I mean, to a place like this never made
You have to
anybody.
think of this place in terms of it being
Your brother's
an
cool.
island.
It's fun, but
And we are at the
I'm as proud
bottom
as you are.
of the hill,
Tell me something.
along the edge where the water is. That's where we are right now. To show you what I mean, let's go over to another place.
Thank you.
Let's go to
You got a number?
Buddha. Fly with me, y'all. Hop over to
You asked me before if I had a girlfriend. I don't know.
California.
Just I don't talk to any kids in the grade.
Right here.
Never felt like I fit in. Like anyway.
Hey, I'm an outsider, man.
Stockton
I dig that.
is 19 feet above sea level.
What's up with you and dad?
Alright?
He never talks about you much, and when he does, he's always mad.
Me and Dad,
Zoom on out
we were just never there for each other. And now,
real quick. Because we gonna go. No, not over there.
why are we talking about this shit, man? I mean, we're on vacation here, right? We're supposed to be enjoying ourselves. Let's just try and enjoy tonight, okay? Cheers, brother. Perfect. There's sparkles. I'm gonna go have a nap and watch this.
Let's go to the shore right
Jimmy.
This should prove interesting. This should be interesting. Real quick.
I love it. Lee, actually, it's a nice place. If you don't mind, I'm gonna have a dance with this girl.
Let's go to San Francisco.
John's on stage, so what's it called, like cash or something down there, we let the little friend get that.
Lee, I got it. Sit down.
Bitch!
Who do us with
San Francisco sitting right there on the edge of the water.
Whoa!
San Francisco is 130 feet above sea level.
All right, how about this? You guys, all
Once you
right,
get off into the
the
water,
other way.
it goes below sea level.
Jimmy, leave him alone.
That's all along the edge of the water is. Showing that you're sitting on a big ass hill, you know what I mean, above the water. Keeping that in mind, you can do it yourself sometime if you want to mess around with
Let him
Google.
go.
Since they got, you mean, the elevations.
Let him
over
go.
there, you know what I mean?
And we'll leave.
You can just go around and look at the elevations that they got recorded. Like this trench right here. You know what I mean? Feet off the coast of California. So just some interesting things that you can look and see for yourself.
Let's go.
Let's go back.
I hope you know what you're doing. Yeah, me too.
Found a where? You found this thing in an Egypt? Let me see.
You're drunk and you're I really don't.
I'm fine. Let's see it, all right? Somebody's got to do this. What happened? It just
Just
closed up.
fly over here,
You try it.
all the way back to the other side of the island.
It could work. Oh, it likes you just fine.
I didn't even know what to do with it.
Yeah, we had a pretty
Right
good
there.
idea.
That's 14 feet
Well,
above
shit,
sea level.
man. Let's see it
These are the
again.
places,
Line up that haystack right there.
you know what I mean,
Come on, man. Don't be shy now.
that we've
You got
been.
this.
This is what we got for right now. Shut this off.
Oh my God, did you see that?
Yes, I did all that.
Thanks for taking the ride.
Please, please.
Flying the friendly skies. Peace.